And your name is?
Pat Gibson.
Your occupation?
I'm a software developer and egghead.
And your chosen subject?
The lives of the great mathematicians.
The great mathematicians in 2 minutes. Which German mathematician who died in 1891 said, God made the integers, all the rest is the work of man?
Leopold Kronecker.
Correct. In one of his paradoxes, whom did the Greek mathematician Zeno of Elea suggest could not overtake a tortoise in a race if the tortoise was given a head start?
Achilles.
Yes. Fermat's last theorem first appeared in about 1637 as a note in the margin of which book?
Diophantine.
Yes. Yes. Which 4th century BC mathematician is usually credited with the theory of proportion found in Book 5 of Euclid's Elements?
Eudoxus.
Yes. Arthur Cayley was the first holder of which professorship at Cambridge?
Sadlerian.
Yes. Pascal became involved in the theory of probability after a nobleman consulted him on a mathematical problem connected with gambling. What was his name?
Condorcet.
Antoine Gombeau, Chevalier de Mer. Descartes, who normally spent his mornings in bed, caught a fatal chill when Queen Christina of Sweden insisted he start her studies at what hour?
5 a.m.
Yes, in the 1820s, Nikolai Lobachevsky produced the first published work on which branch of mathematics?
Hyperbolic geometry. Non-Euclidean geometry.
Correct. Whose work on hydrodynamics has many modern applications, including an equation that is the basis of aircraft wing design?
Daniel Bernoulli.
Correct. One of Gauss's early achievements was the construction of a regular polygon of how many sides using only a ruler and compass?
17.
Correct. In 1873, which French mathematician published the first proof that the constant E is a transcendental number?
Charles Hermite.
Correct. Who put up the prize awarded to Henri Poincaré in 1889 for his treatise on the three-body problem in celestial mechanics?
King Oscar of Sweden.
Yes. Archimedes calculated the upper limit of pi as 3 1/7. What did he calculate the lower limit as?
3 and 10 71st.
Yes. What number system did William Hamilton first develop in 1843 while he was walking along the Royal Canal in Dublin?
Quaternions.
Correct. What method of representing three-dimensional objects in a two-dimensional plane was invented by Gaspard Monge?
Descriptive geometry.
Correct. For how long did Laplace hold the post of French Minister of the Interior? He was succeeded by Napoleon's brother Lucien.
6 months.
6 weeks. Which new type of number was introduced by Ernst Kummer?
The ideal number.
Yes. Who described the Russian mathematician Sofia Kovalevskaya as a dangerous woman after she persuaded him to allow one of her female friends to study in his all-male chemistry laboratory?
Bunsen.
Robert Bunsen is correct. You had no passes either. You have a total of 16 points. Third place with 32 points. Gavin Fuller and David Edwards. In second place with 36 points and 2 passes, Jesse Honey. In first place with 36 points and no passes, Mastermind champion of champions, Pat Gibson. Very many congratulations. You've won just about every quiz show there is, starting with Millionaire. This has got to be the ultimate, yeah?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
And just a sentence on how you do it. How do you learn all that stuff?
I'm interested in most things, so I read a lot.
And you remember it?
I remember it.
God knows how you do it. Anyway, congratulations. What an extraordinary result. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. And thank you for watching.